This quiz is based on the previous lesson which we have already done in our alphabet series. Now let us see the second clip and please watch this clip very carefully. Okay? Okay children? Okay Miss. The sky is clear. The sun is bright. The seagulls are also flying with them. On their way, they see many small islands and islets. They are accompanied by many sea creatures who swim alongside the ship, like the colorful fish and the playful dolphins. So, are you ready? Okay. Which of the following birds were flying with Sarah's ship? Which of the following birds were flying with Sarah's ship? Your options are parrots, crows, pigeons or seagulls. Parrots, crows, pigeons or seagulls.
Seagulls.
Right, absolutely right. Some interesting facts about seagulls. Do you know children, seagulls are very clever. They learn, remember and even pass on behaviors such as stamping their feet in a group to imitate rainfall and trick earthworms to come to the surface. Seagulls can drink both fresh and salt water. Question number 6. Which aquatic animals did Sarah and her sister see while traveling? Which aquatic animals means water animals. Which water animals did they see while traveling? Your options are octopus, whales, dolphins or crocodiles. Octopus, whales, dolphins or crocodiles?
Dolphins.
Absolutely right. Another star. Very good. Well done, Monami. Some interesting facts about dolphins. Dolphins are extremely playful and curious sea mammals. Do you know children, they sleep with one eye open because dolphins sleep by resting one side of the brain at a time. The awake side of the brain stays active and helps the dolphin being aware of their enemies, and that side of the eye also stays open. Question number 7. Are you ready?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. How many red fish can you see in this clip? Have you seen the clip carefully?
Yes, Miss.
So can you answer this question? It's a bit tricky, but I think you can do. Think. How many red fish can you see in this clip? You've seen dolphins?
Yes, Miss.
And you have seen fish, red and yellow both?
Yes.
Okay, I will tell you the options. 3, 6, 4 or 8. 3, 6, 4 or 8.
Is it 3?
No, it's not 3, Monami. It is 6. Okay, so let us see the clip once again. Can you count?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 red fish.
Yes, Miss.
Yes. Okay. Let's start it once again.
No stars.
No stars for this question. Doesn't matter. Okay. Question number 8. What does Sarah's father do? Is he a doctor, a businessman, or an actor, or a sailor?
Sarah's father. No, miss.
Doctor? No, Monami. He is a sailor. A sailor is a person who works on a ship. Question number 9. Which vehicle's name begins with the letter S? Which vehicle's name begins with the letter S? Your options are helicopter, ship, bus, or train.
Ship.
Yes, absolutely right. Good. Okay, so now the last question, question number 10. Okay, here you have only two options. Is letter S a vowel or a consonant? Is letter S a vowel or a consonant?
S. Consonant?
Yes, you're absolutely right. Letter S is a consonant. Very good. So let us see how many stars you have got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Good. You have got 8 stars. Well done. Let us clap for Monami.
Thank you.
So now this question is for you children.
To answer this question, friends, you need to watch Let's Learn with Monami Sound of the letter S.
What did Monami's grandmother packed in her tiffin? Your options are salad, sweets, sandwiches and strawberries, or stuffed mushrooms. You will get the answer in our next episode, in our next class. Hope you have enjoyed playing Qua-Qua Quiz with Monami. See you in our next class, children. Bye.
And friends, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. Bye. Bye, friends.